Okay. Now see, I was saying that we are having a huge, it's like a sea, it's like an ocean in the of knowledge, right? Then we can, what you can do is, I'm just giving you the guidance. Like for example, there is one concept with which you can convert the whole website to the application that we saw yesterday. Now inside that there are many different features also. Like one of the feature is back button. So whenever you press back, you should be redirected to the previous page, not the application should be closed. That is a 2 to 3 lines of code. So you can either I'll be instructing you that thing. If I'm not instructing, search by yourself also. That is also a good talent if you are learning by yourself. Okay, so that is also you should be doing that part. That देखो हम कैसे explore करते हैं उसको, ठीक है? What are the features available in that? Okay. We are not creating from scratch, so you have to do some settings using that web view client. So client will be taking care of all the possibilities. That also we'll see if possible today. So today I'll show you. Let me open the paint, because this should not happen. The count is 40 only. This should not happen. This should be remain sustained till the last one, because at the last we'll be having one master session. Okay, don't forget that there is one expert coming from the industry just for you guys, and they'll be teaching you some advanced things and advancements key in industry what they are using. These all are the basics. What I am teaching you, these are the basics thing, because we have targeted audiences, the beginners. Okay, so next, if we are going for 2.0, that is an advanced version, or the intermediate part. If you are going for 3.0, that is an advanced thing. So in that we'll include the React Native, the Flutter and Dart and everything we can include. The designing portion, the material designing libraries, many things are there. Okay, we have just started with the basic things, right? So don't forget that thing, that you have at the end you have the master session. So that is most important thing you should target on. Okay, fine. So today what we are going to do is, yesterday we saw only the one screen. Fine. Today we are going to see multiple screens, because obviously one app, one Android application might be having more than one screen. Single screen app are many very less. We are not targeting single app screen. Okay, we should be working with the multiple app screens. So sir, after creating the project, how I can add the multiple screen? How I can add the screen after creating a new project? That we will see. How to sir redirect. If I am here, if I am at the login portion, okay, sir, how to redirect to the registration screen, that also we'll see today. Sir, if I am on the registration portion, how to go back to the login screen, that also we'll see. Okay, these are some concepts which we are going to follow. And today we are also going to design one login form. Okay, this we have to, for design purpose we need to see that thing also. Like design karenge form login, and then we'll be having one button over here. Okay, it is like either already a user, then will be go for registration, then people will come here, or it is already login, it is already registered, then people will come over here. So that is one concept which we are going to see today. Okay, so let us start the session. Create a new project. Do not go for any kind of activities right now. Okay, simple activity, that is an empty activity you need to select. These all are activities which you can use in further sessions. Okay, after this 1.0 we will be taking 2.0. So in that we can say Google Map integration. Sir, how to integrate Google Maps in our application? Zomato is doing that, Amazon is doing that, most of the applications are doing that thing. That is called map integration. Okay, so that also we can cover. So next, today is a design point of view I am going to see. Today we'll set one icon also. How to set an icon of the app and everything. Okay. So design app, I'll use the language Java, and the minimum SDK. SDK is nothing but software development kit. Minimum software or minimum version of your app or the user's app should be having Lollipop. Okay. Click on this finish. I'll increase the font today. So the Gradle is building. Let the Gradle build. Do not do anything. Okay, just sit back, have patience, and let the Gradle build. After it is completely built, we can start our project. If you are missing any of the session, you will not be considered for the app challenge. That's a criteria. Do not do that. If you are missing any quiz, then too you'll not be eligible for the app challenge. So don't do these things. Yeah. So my Gradle is built. Here you can see in the event log that my Gradle has been finished synchronizing in the 40 seconds. So let me increase the size of it first of all. Go in the action, search for font. Okay. Is okay, or should I increase much? I guess this is okay. Is it visible properly?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, fine. Okay, so this is our now. Everything will be in this font only. Chalo. So let us first design one screen. Right now, I'm just designing with a proper formatting. I'm not doing it for just for the sake of doing it. We need to create it very smoothly and very properly. Okay, so I'll remove this portion from here, and I'll go in the design part. Now, one by one, I'll be each and every points I'll be keeping. Okay, so the very first thing I want in the design form, like okay, I want the name of my app. That is, I'll call it, and you have to call it your name. Okay, I'll write Prashant's app. Okay, this is my static text. Do not forget, this is static text. If someone is running or someone is using my app, this text will not be changed. That is what static text means. And whenever you want to represent static text, take text view as a component. Okay, this is what a component is. Then I'll be showing one logo of my company. This is I'm creating a login screen, so I'll be having one logo of that thing, and whatever images you need to show, that is to be shown in image view. Just understand very basic things. We need to understand this. It is compulsory portion. Okay, then I'll be having this kind of edit text. Okay, this will be, for example, username. So this is a kind of edit text. Here the user can give the input. This is not for the user, this is just for showing the information, and here the user can give the input. Same way we can have the password. This also will be taken from the input from the user, and there will be one login button. I'll make it this button very small. Okay, and I'll be having like or already a user, or sorry, or sign up, or create a new account. Whatever I can keep, I can keep. Okay, there is one button called sign up. So when the user is clicking on sign up, he or she will be redirected to the new screen. This is completely a new screen. Okay, so first of all, we'll design a login form and with a proper formatting. That's what the target is. Chalo. So the very first thing I want a text view. So right now you can drag and drop, and then you can set everything. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll go in the split portion. I'll change this text to Prashant's. I'll say cool app. Fine, this is just a random name. Then what will I give? I'll give the text size of it. Okay, I'll give text size as 35, and these are the pixels: dp, inches, mm, points, px, and sp. These are the units for the size. So generally the developers use dp. Okay, so I am right now using dp. Okay, sure. Now I need to make it look more cool. I want it attractive design of the text. So what I'll go, I'll go in text font. Okay, just a minute. Font family. Fine. Now here are different things. So if you will make cursive, it will become cursive. Okay, if it is not visible, I'll make it visible. Okay, this is what I wanted to show you. So I want this kind of design for my application. Okay, you can use any. It's not compulsory that you are using that only. So I'll make it now bold. So you just go in text style, and there are obviously three options. One is normal. If you, it's like, see, अगर normal रखना है ना तो normal select नहीं करना है. This property you are not supposed to write. If you want to add some properties, you can add like this. Okay, so I want it bold, so it is now bold, and it is looking very good. Okay, chalo. So that was about your text view, and this is XML. Using XML, we are doing this changes. Okay. Second thing, I'll do what? I'll have one logo, as I told you. So I'll find one interesting logo of, say, for example, we are making food delivery or food app. Okay. You can use actually any logo you can use. And try to select this kind of logos, that is PNG. Okay, so you can easily visible. You are not supposed to design this for, but take the PNG form, or the background is white. So I'll take this logo, and I'll show you how to set the logo also. I'm saving this as logo. Okay, logo is already there. It is my logo. Okay, it is there. Now see very carefully. Show in folder, copy that particular image very carefully. Where I am pasting it, you need to see. Copy it, go in your Android Studio, open the resource folder, open the drawable folder, right click on drawable, and there is one option called paste. Just paste it over here. They'll ask you, yes. You want to change the name? No. Okay, so my logo is here in my Android Studio app. Whatever images are to be kept, it is to be pasted in the drawable folder. जितनी भी images आपको रखनी है वो drawable के अंदर जाएंगी. Either it is logo, either it is any kind of images, whatever it is. All the images will go in the drawable folder. Is it okay? Thumbs up in the chat box. Quickly. I am watching the chat box. Thumbs up. Yes. App icon too. Yes, everything. I'll show one by one. Don't hurry up. Will not hurry. आराम से करेंगे, ठीक है? Yeah. In the chat box. Very good. Very good. Very good. Chalo. Let's move ahead. Now I need to set this as my logo. So see, Java file is not to be touched right now. ठीक है, कुछ नहीं करना है Java file में. Go in the XML. Okay. Select image view. Now I'll go in this. I'll click on. I'll put it exactly in the center. Okay. And they are asking me to choose the source of it. Okay. So I'll select what? I'll select my logo. If it was there, then they will show you the suggestion. तो पहले मैंने क्या किया, ड्रॉएबल में फोल्डर में रखा उसको, एंड देन नाउ इट इज शोइंग मी द source of it or the suggestion of it. So I'll click on this. Okay, so it is very small. So go in the split portion. Yeah, I'll show it as an 50 dp. This is the height and width. Okay, why my logo is not visible? Just a minute. At the rate, see what I'm doing is at the rate drawable slash my logo. Just a minute. Okay, we'll check while running. Okay, it is right now, it is not showing. I need to check why it is not showing, but this is the proper format. After running, we'll see that what is the problem. Okay, all the files, all the images are to be stored in the drawable. I have stored over here. Okay, and this is this. Need to write this thing? No, fine, no problem. This is the source. What I did is src is one attribute. I click on enter. They are asking me where is your source, so I'll say in the drawable. Okay, so it is in the drawable. If it is in the drawable, then at the rate drawable. So if I'm selecting this thing, it will show this thing. You can see, I'll zoom it. You can see this icon is showing. Okay, but we don't want that thing. We'll see why our logo is not shown. Chalo. So I'll remove this thing and I'll give my logo. Okay. Okay. My logo. Just a minute. Let 9. It is there. Okay, it was my mistake. See, you need to. It was in that. If you want to keep it in drawable, click on this file which is inside drawable, and then paste it. Okay, so it was in the draw outside that particular file. That's why it was not detecting. Now I'll do that part. Okay, this is what my logo looks like. Okay, it is DP. यहाँ पे DP नीपी नहीं चाहिए मुझे, सिर्फ DP चाहिए. Okay. So this is my logo. That is okay. उसको अगर छोटा करना तो आप कर सकते हैं. Okay. Wherever you want to place it, you can place it. Okay. And the height and width will be automatically set. देखो मैंने कुछ और दिया था, फिर चेंज करके they change the height and width. Okay. If it is like this, wrap content and wrap content, so it is showing me that which is the original size of logo. Okay, I don't want that because it is the size of content. So I told that width should be according to the size of content. I told that height should be according to the height of content, but I don't want that thing. I want it according to my changes. Okay, so this is what I have done for that thing. Chalo, go in the designing portion. Now I want here the username. ठीक है, चलो तो एक username को show करते हैं. For that, go in the text. Here it is the plain text. Okay, do not take the text view. You can go for the plain text. Okay, this is the file. I will enlarge it, and they will ask the name of it. The first thing. Second is I want the password of it. Set it very properly. Okay, this is what 2 fields I want. Okay, who is entering? Chalo. This is I want 2 fields. One is username and password as I have shown you here. So this is done, this is done, this is done, and this is done. So I want one button of it. So I'll go in the button section. If you can see, here is the button. This will not be uh, enlarged. Okay, I cannot enlarge that thing. Chalo. So I'll take button. There is the possibility that button might be having image. Okay, so image button is also an option over there, but we want just a simple button over here. Okay, so I'll be using the text of it. I'll be in split portion. I'll change the text of it. I'll tell login here. Okay, so that is what. See, as soon as I am increasing the content, the height and width is changing. So why? Because I have given the wrap content. If I'm increasing the size like this, see, it is changing its width and height automatically because we have given this thing. If we restrict to some numbers, it will show that only. Okay, but suggestion is, my personal suggestion is use wrap content because जितना content होगा उतने हिसाब से वो show करेगा height and width. Okay, so I'll remove this portion. Log in here. Okay, that's it. Fine. So this is what I have designed. I want to put here one more thing, that is if you are a new user, then create account or whatever the button is. Okay, this is, I'll go here. This is exactly not in the center. Okay, I'll show one static text also. I'll ask that or create new account. Okay, that's what the text is showing. So I'll make it in the between, in the center. I will increase the size of it a little bit. नहीं ये ज़्यादा हो गया, 15 dB. Okay, so that's about your, that is a simple thing. और उसको अगर bold करना है तो आप bold कर सकते हैं. Okay, go in this portion, select the style of it, text style, and do bold. So now it is clearly visible, that is create new account. And this button I need to change. It should be showing register. Just a minute, I need to do capital register here. That's it. इसको हम center में ले लेते हैं. That's it. Okay, now this is, we'll just simply run this app. We'll do nothing, just design and then we'll run. Let us look, let us see how it is looking. These are designing concepts you need to remind. Now there will be one error, they'll show one error. So the Gradle is building, and see this white background also you can change. That also I'll show. Sir, I want to keep some image or some kind of colors in the background. That also you can do. See, it is installing here. It is written install. We'll create a complete login registration app today. Okay. Yeah, launch is succeed. And the magic is this. What is this? A blunder. Why?
Yes.
Why?
Because you aren't constrained anymore.
Exactly. We haven't, yes, we haven't added any constraints. मतलब कि अगर कोई भी फोन होगा ना तो उसमें यहाँ पे सब कॉर्नर पे चला जाएगा. If you are not giving constraints, this will be at 0 0 position. Everything right now is 0 0. सब वहीं से start हो रहा है. ठीक है. So I'll do what? I'll one by one select each and every component and add the constraints of it. Okay. उसको मैंने ऐड कर दिया. अब if I'm adding the bottom of it, okay, so I'll not add the top of this. I hope you understand. Okay, इसका top नहीं connect करूँ क्योंकि इसका bottom connect हो चुका है ऊपर वाले के साथ. So I'll connect this portion. I'll connect left and right and I'll connect again bottom. Still इसका top नहीं करूँगा. I'll not do the top of it. I'll do left, I'll do right, I'll do bottom. Same way, left, right, bottom. Same way, इसका थोड़ा अपन it should be in between. Yeah. Same way, left, right, bottom. देखो मतलब क्या है? This particular component here you can see the structure. This is a rough structure where you can see actually what is happening in the backend. So here between these two components there is a 25 dp space. Okay, this is a margin. Bottom margin is 25, right? Margin is 148 and 141. If you want to keep exactly center, make it both same. So this is in the center exactly. दोनों के side same है. Okay, चलो. I'll add on this. Okay, and finally the last one. Now I'm doing nothing again. In the designing part I haven't done nothing. Then to go in the code part, you'll be able to see that the constraints are added in each and every component. This text view, first text view, that is Prashant School app. तो what it is to the top of which one, उसके नीचे एक image view है. See this image view, it is this particular component is at the top of this one. So that's how they are relating each and every component. Okay, so 4 constraints are added in each and every thing. Okay, my mistake, 3. Okay, initial we added 4 and remaining we added in the 3 only. Okay, fine. So let us go in design. Let us apply changes and restart activity. Do not run whole app. Whatever the changes are made, that only will be reflected. So let us see whether it is running or not. Yes, so now it is looking somewhat similar to what we created. Okay, here and here. Now if I'm clicking on this, the name is already there, so the user needs to do this way and he is typing like this. So it is a trouble for user. It should not be the thing. User interface and user experience should be the best. Okay, people should use your app more and more, obviously. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll be going in this particular text, this edit text, and this is a by default name of it, text property. I'll remove that part. Okay, what I'll add the hint. Okay, now hint is one property. Hint means what? It will show that you have to enter here the username. So in the hint I'll do like this, enter username. Okay, so here you can see that is reflected, and it is not the text. When someone will click on that, one letter will be clicking and it will be vanishing off. Okay, so that is what hint plays the role. Okay, here also I'll add the hint part and I'll say enter password. Okay, so that's it. Again, apply changes and restart activity. Very simple things. I know most of you might be knowing this thing, but those who are from different backgrounds. Yesterday I saw that I have students, I have the participants from pharmacy, agriculture. Okay, कहाँ से थे पता नहीं. So for them it is very new. Yes, you can see. Okay, enter username is a hint. Now if I'm clicking on it, keyboard is there, and as soon as I start writing the name, it will disappear. Okay, so this is, and yes, one more interesting thing, it is also giving in the hidden characters. Okay, so this is also a good point of view. Why? Because in this particular text we have set input type as a text password, and we haven't set anything. From design we drag and drop this particular component. That's why it is by default the property of that component, that it should be the password. Okay, so this is your designing. Now I'll click on login here. Anything is being done? No, nothing is done. Okay, register here, nothing is done. So now I want to create a similar looking screen for registration portion. Okay, chalo. Chat box, thumbs up. Any doubts, any questions, like regarding this? External doubts and external questions will solve later on. Yeah, any part in design, see, constraints are important. Then as I told you, this things are important. It should not show the by default property. Okay, it should show the hint. That is a good hint of that particular designing portion. Okay, sure. Now I'll do one more screen. I'll add one screen. Sure. Just see to it how I'm adding the screen. I want this screen right now, this particular registration portion. Okay, go in the design, go in the layout file, this layout folder here. Okay, right click on it, click on new activity, and I want one more activity that should be empty activity. How did I went? See, right click on it, new, then activity. I want a new activity, that's why I'm going in that. And basic, bottom navigation, these are templates. Like sir, after this I want any map. So you can go for the map activity, but right now we are going for the empty activity. You can give the name of that particular activity. I'll give registration. That's it. I'll give registration. Okay, and click on finish. So see, we are having one XML with us, that is registration. Now this is the second screen you are having, and there is a Java file of it. Each and every XML will be connected with a Java file. And what is this connected to? It is connected to activity registration XML. That is this one. So we'll be designing over here. Okay, fine. This ultimately we have to connect those portions. Okay, ultimately you should be going from here to here, and you should be going to here and here. That is what the target is of today. Okay, so I'll go in this. Now if you want to make a look-alike app, okay, like इसको same दिखना चाहिए. So what you'll do, you do here, whatever things are here, just copy it. Okay, just copy it. Go in the XML of registration, go in the split portion, and here just add it. So here everything is there. Okay, now we want to identify that this is a registration app, a registration screen. So I'm not having this kind of buttons over here. Okay, so I'll include 3 to 4 text fields more. Before that, I'll remove the constraints portion, because constraints will be disturbing me. Okay, see, I'll remove the constraint, this one, and it is gone. It is at the bottom. Okay, then
Sir,
I'll
in
do
this
what?
challenge, there will be a team or singular.
No, individual.
Okay, sir.
You have to work in individual. Yes. So,
Okay,
I'll give you
okay.
one theme. The rules are like, see, if you are reaching on the app challenge, I'll be giving you one theme. Theme is, for example, education, or it is politics, or it is something like farmer, whatever it is. Okay. So you have to create a related app to it. For example, आपने एक login screen create किया, registration screen create किया for education purpose, education की app के लिए. If you are doing it for movies or anything, you are putting that logo. Okay, so that kind of things you have to do. The theme will be given.
Yes,
Related to that, you have to create.
yes, sir.
Yes. So
Okay, okay, sir.
yeah. So I'll remove the constraints for now. And if I'm not removing constraint, it will be disturbing me. That's why I'm removing it. Okay. So everything is going at 0 portion. You can see. Right? And the last one, that is this portion. Okay. So one by one, I'll be doing it. So registration. This is your login. This is your thing. This is the name of that app. Create new account should be here. Password should be here. Username should be here. That's it. So this is without constraint. Now I'll change something. Okay. What will I do? This login should be at the corner. Okay. This register is this. I'll delete this portion. Sure. Now just Control C, Control V. So you'll be having one more text field. Okay, you are not supposed to drag and drop and create everything. You just Control C and Control V. Okay. Now I'm asking some few more details, but these are the password. Okay, I'll change the here. Dekho. Click on this, you will be here. Okay, so username is exactly. Click on this, you will be here. Enter password, and the type is input type is text password. This I'll be changing. Where it is hint, I'll change to enter email ID. And password, it should be input type, should not be password, it should be text email address. Okay, here is your email address. So it will be in the form of @gmail.com. It will check automatically. It will not hide the characters. If you are keeping input type as a text password, it will hide the details. Sure. Question answers I'll take afterwards. I can see few messages, but I'll take afterwards. And the final one, it is enter contact number or phone number. Okay, and this input should be number. Now why I'm specifying that thing, because once you click on that portion, it will open the numeric keyword, the keypad. Okay, it should not open the characters, because obviously in numbers what characters will do. So it is text, phone, or I need to see. It should be number, I guess. Phonetic, I guess. Okay, so this is that thing. So everything is there, and register here is the correct button. If you are already login, like already a registered user, then you have to click on login. So I'll include one text view, static text. I'll go in design, I'll put here one text in between, and I'll ask to that user that are you already a user, then you can log in. Already registered user, then you can go for login portion. Fine. Yes, now it is almost ready. Okay, I'll make it everything in the center. Okay, now I'll add the constraints. Okay, top, bottom, and this, and bottom. One by one add each and every constraint, because I removed, because I wanted to adjust this thing. If you will not remove, it will not adjust in the between. It will disturb you. So you need to first remove and then you can add it. Bottom is nahi karna, top, left, right. Okay, and for same email ID, same for password. Okay, register here. I guess it is not in between, but it's okay. Here you can check whether it is in between or not. Okay. If you keep in between, it will look like a good view. Here you can check. See, it is 122 and here it is 134. So either decrease this or either increase it. So I'll do what? I'll make it 122 this. So now it is in center. Okay. So both 122. So do 122. So okay. Now this is also in center. Same for this thing. Now this is 141 and 142. So you can do 141 here. So that's it all about your registration screen. Okay. Now once we are running, what is our goal is this. By clicking on login here, I should be able to come here. By clicking on login here, I'll be able to come here. So that is where logic comes. Okay, now your Java part will be active. Okay, ये जो logic है आपको logic लिखना है in the Java. Okay, so I'll remove this portion. Now I will understand the logic part. Chalo. Any doubts till now in the chat box regarding this two screens?
No,
How
sir.
I added, very good. How I added new screens, how I added this constraints and everything. Okay, very good. Very good. Chalo, let's see. What is this Java file saying? Okay, what will Java do? Sure. First and the foremost thing, this is my login portion. I'll increase the height. Okay. Same way, I'll be having another screen that is registration. Okay. both will be having its own XML, and it is having their own XML. XML. And now they are also having their own Java file, and they are also having their own Java file. Okay. Now whatever task is to be done on one particular button. Okay. So I'll tell to logins Java file, listen to me very carefully. I will tell to logins Java file that there is one button having ID something in the XML. So it will find that particular button. Then on the click of that button, I am instructing to the Java code that you should be going here. That's what I wanted to add in the Java file. First thing, I need to find the view of that button, where it is, what is the ID of it, everything. And then I need to create one small code, 4 to 5 lines of code, and it will say that you need to redirect from here, from login to registration. That is what Java file will say. And here, so whatever work is to be done in the login. So I'll go in the main activity.java, that is my logins Java file. Okay, very first thing I want to work on button, so I will make then object of button name, I'll give login. Okay, that's it. I will find the view by ID, very first step, that is ये जो ऑब्जेक्ट है, इस ऑब्जेक्ट को मैं दूंगा वो व्यू, login equals to find view by ID r.id. I don't know what is the ID. Okay, so I'll go in XML portion. I will click on here, it is already clicked there, and the ID of this is button, but I'll change it to login. ठीक है, तो इधर चेंज करोगे ना तो सब जगह चेंज हो जाएगा, बिकॉज इनिशियली द आईडी वाज बटन, so it is doing that thing. So let us keep that only. ठीक है, क्योंकि कंस्ट्रेंट्स को हमने क्या बोला था कि भाई आपको एक आईडी है, बटन उसके ऊपर रहना है, बट बटन नाम की आईडी अगर हटा देंगे तो इट विल ऑफ नो यूज. सो आई विल कीप दैट एज अ बटन ओनली. ठीक है, यू कैन चेंज इट, बट इट्स अवर मिस्टेक, दैट्स व्हाई आई एम नॉट चेंजिंग इट. यू कैन डू हियर लॉगिन. So everywhere, wherever the button is there, here it is button. ठीक है, कुछ और जगह पे बटन भी होगा तो वहाँ पे आपको लॉगिन करना पड़ेगा. ओके, लेट्स सी. तो view is fine. Sir, this is done. You told that to the Java file. The Java file I need to show the view of it. So I'll do the view of it. Okay, Java. That is done. Now I need to tell to the Java file of login that you need to go here. That particular concept is called intent. In Java, in Android, we call this concept as an intent. Moving from one screen to another screen. Moving from one screen to another screen. That is intent. Okay. I'll talk to different types of intent also. This whole session is about that only. Okay. So let us I'll show. This is one activity. Sorry for drawing. This is another activity, and both are of your app only, and you are redirecting from one to another inside your app. That is your type of explicit intent. There are two types. One is explicit, one is implicit. Another type is what? I'll delete this portion. This is your app. Okay, this is only my app. And here is my profile picture. Here it is select profile picture. So if I'm clicking on this particular, imagine WhatsApp. If you're changing WhatsApp's profile picture, it is opening your app or it is opening the system's app? Systems app, exactly. For example, sir, I have one email ID over here in my app. I want to make one feature. Whoever clicks on that email ID, my Gmail should open. Sir, I want to have one feature that here is one number 81558, whatever it is. Whenever someone clicks on that button, my call should open, my call app should be open. So that is the concept of implicit intent. Okay, you are opening, you are redirecting to some another app to fulfill your service, to fulfill your function, your app's function. And what do you mean by explicit? It is both the screens are of your app only. आपकी ऐप में 50 स्क्रीन है, आप इंटरनली एक से दूसरी दूसरी तीसरी जा रहे हो इनसाइड योर ऐप. दैट इज ए कंसेप्ट ऑफ एक्सप्लिसिट इंटेंट. रिमेंबर दिस थिंग, इंपॉर्टेंट है, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. ठीक है, implicit intent, it is like you have one app and you are opening some another. Okay, wait, I'll show you, just a minute. Let me practically show you what is this implicit and explicit intent, if it is possible. See, I'll close this app. देखो, for example, I don't have any app in this, like, see, okay, camera, okay, it is opening right now, whatever camera it is. So if I'm clicking on this, it should go into the directory. Only while I'll show my app only, I'll connect my mobile. But I guess you got the point, yes or no? Everyone in the chat box. In the chat box, do not mute yourself or unmute yourself. Okay, yeah, okay. So those both concepts are to be implemented today. So first we'll try to implement this explicit intent, that is we are shifting from one screen to another inside our app. Okay, and we'll do this thing. एक हम क्या करेंगे, there will be one screen, just a minute, there will be one screen. Okay, I'll have one email ID, for example, abc@gmail.com. Okay, I'll click on that email ID and your Gmail section will open. Inside that there is two email ID whom you want to send. This email ID will be there automatically. It's like that. Okay, so that is you are opening Gmail application from your application. You are calling one service. So that is implicit intent. ठीक है, तो हम क्या कर रहे हैं अभी, explicit intent कर रहे हैं. चलो, and it is very important thing. जो पूरा Instagram, for example, you are going from account section to search section, from search to you are going upload section, there are buttons over here, so that are nothing but intent portion, that is implemented using intent. Okay, chalo. So now I'll use the class of it. There is one class, आपको दिखाऊंगा. Intent is one class. Click on it, create one object of it. Okay, now you have created an object, you want to initialize it. I'll say new class name. Okay, this is what I am doing. This is the concept of one class. I want to create one object. So this is a syntax, class name space object. And if you want to initialize with some value, you can create using new keyword and here the class name. Okay, and here the brackets. This is how you initialize and create a new object in the Java. So that screen is visible? Yes?
Yes,
The
sir.
chat box? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Fine. I thought I stuck. ठीक है चलो. Very good, very good, very good. एक second. So in the intent, I have created one class. So what I have to tell, I need to give two components in this particular bracket. One is source from where you are coming, and another is destination to where you are going. Okay, so here in the Android Studio, this is my activity, is my source. I am right now here and I want to go here. That is what is my source and destination. So in the bracket, I'll say that what is my source right now? It is main activity dot this. Right now I am at main activity. That is my source right now. Okay, comma, I'll say where I want to go. The class name I'll give. The class name is registration dot class, and I'll put, sorry, just a minute. Okay, and I'll put the semicolon. That is, you have created the intent. आपने एक explicit intent create किया हुआ है. This is your source. Whatever your context is, right now you are at this position, and you have to write dot this. Whatever the class name is with dot this. And where you want to go, the class name, and at then dot class. This is the syntax of Android Studio that you have to remember. Okay. And now I need to start that particular intent. So I'll say start that's it. Okay, hardly it is 2 lines of code. Now we will apply changes and run, and we will see whether it is working or not. We created intent, source destination हमने दे दिया, और उसको बोला कि अब तू start हो जा. ठीक है, start activity is one function which is starting that intent. This is creation of intent. This portion is creating the intent, and this is starting that intent. Okay. Yes. Now see. Without entering any kind of values. Okay. This is which screen I got? I guess I got the registration screen. Just a minute. Here is the login portion. Okay, but here in the registration part, the screen size is not proper, so this login is going out of the screen. That should not happen. So what I'll do, I'll first of all go in the split part. I'll go in this registration button. I'll remove the constraints first of all. Okay, तो चला गया यहाँ पे. I'll remove the login constraints. Okay, I'll remove this constraints. Okay, fine. Now I'll take the registration over here. Okay, इसका एक constraint अभी यहाँ पे है. I'll remove that also. Okay, चलो. Why I'm doing this? Because this login portion was going down. Also, I remove this portion, and here is the login. Let me increase the fine. Okay. I need to set the constraints also, because we have removed the constraints. And let us run. is opening registration app. Okay, let us see. Now see, if I'm clicking on the login portion, so it is not going anywhere, I guess. Okay. My mistake. See, आपको पढ़ाने में ना मैं भूल गया. देखो, what we wanted as a logic, there was one button. On that click, intent should perform. Okay, we wrote as it is, so that is a mistake of it. Okay, so what I'll do, इसको हटा दूंगा मैं यहाँ पे. Okay, I'll come to this particular portion. Please mute the mic. Okay, fine. So what I am supposed to do, I am supposed to write the name of that button, that is login dot. I need to have one method, that is set on click listener. Like I need to set one click. देखो, इस पे क्लिक करके मुझे आगे आना है. ठीक है, तो आई एम सेटिंग वन listener will listen my click event. Okay, this is the syntax. This is you have to remember. New view dot on click listener. That is the first suggestion. Click on enter. That's it. This automatically will be generated. Again, I am doing it. Remove this portion. कौन से बटन पे करना है, उसका नाम क्या था हमारा, उस ऑब्जेक्ट का नाम ये व्यू जो है आईडी उसमें फाइंड हो चुका है. नाउ आई विल राइट द बटन नेम. What I wanted to use, I want to use one method called set on click listener. That particular method, that particular function will listen to the click. कि क्लिक करके क्या करना है, that is the task of that particular. इसके अंदर I will create a new click listener, that is new. सिर्फ v लिखोगे तो फर्स्ट आ जाएगा, view on click listener. Click on enter. That's it. Now whatever portion you have written here, you have to write in the inside of on click. That is, this portion will be removed. Okay, I'll remove the extra spaces. That's it. Okay, let us run the app. Terminate the existing app. Okay, the first is opening a login. Okay, if I'm clicking on login, I am redirected to the registration app. Very simple. Okay, and here I can do my things, whatever I wanted to do. See, for the phone number keypad, it should numeric keypad. So I guess there is a problem in that. So this is what I wanted to show you. Now for login here, I should be redirected to the login portion. So this same thing I am supposed to do in the registration portion. Okay, in the activity registration, I want to work for login button. So I'll go in the code of it, whatever the ID is for this button. What is the ID? It is also the button, so not an issue. Okay. So I'll go here in the registration Java. Same thing I'll do. Button. I'll click on okay. My mistake. It should not do on login. Register. It should do on register. It should not do on login. So make it this register. Make it this register. Make it this register. And the ID remains the same. Okay? No, ID don't remain the same. Go in activity mail. Activity mail. Click on this. What is the ID of this registration button? It is button 2. So you need to work in the Java on button 2. So now the registration button will be active. Okay, our mistake was we are doing on the login. We are not supposed to do on login. We have to do on the register, and here we have to do on login portion. Okay. Login, find you by ID, r.id. I guess it is the button. We'll check in the registration XML. This portion, this is one button for login. It is a button. Okay. Go in Java. This is correct. Okay. Now I want to make a click event of that. So I'll click on login button. I'll set one on click listener. I'll say new view.onClick listener, and this is my method. Whatever in Java file, I'll write in this. But here source and destination will be changed. What is the source? Right now the source is, if I'm going on register, right now the source is registration. So what will I write? The class name is registration dot this. Okay, comma, where I want to go to main activity dot class. That's it. Okay, I'll run the app. Very simple thing. ठीक है, बहुत लोगों को ये बहुत सिंपल लगता भी होगा एंड आता भी होगा, आई नो. चलो, वेरी गुड. So our launch app is launched here. Just a minute. So I'm clicking on, not clicking on login, I'm clicking on register here. Okay, now it is going on registration, and after registration I'll click on this register here. Here you can do your portion. What you can do, you can click on clicking on register, you can save this into the database. That is also a next level concept which we can actually take, but right now I don't want to focus on that database and everything. After clicking on register, you can save in the database, so you will be having all the users registration details with you in the database. Okay, so if I'm clicking on login here, I'm redirected into the login portion. So that is a very simple and basic app which we have created. Okay, now let us do some more modifications. Sir, what if I want to set the color of it? Okay, now click on here. Okay, this is your main thing, that is your layout. Okay, just a minute. This is your layout. So you want to set the background property of it. So what I'll do, sorry, okay, fine, chalo. So I'll select on background property. Whatever background you want to select, you can select. देखो colors में बहुत सारे inbuilt colors हैं. So I am for example selecting light background. Change हुआ है, हमको दिख नहीं रहा है. I'll select something else. For example, you can give your own color also. At the rate purple. Okay, so this is purple. So you can give eye-catching colors also on the background. So where to go? I'll show you that also. I'll select this thing. This image is very good. Okay, so I'll do what? I'll save this image. I'll save as background. Click on the show folder with this. Drawable. So there is one suggestion called background. So here is the background. So my background is now changed. Okay, this is looking very good. Okay, same thing I can do for Control C, go in the XML, go in the layout portion. This is your layout, and I'll paste it here also. So it is looking the same applications. Actually, you should not put like this, but I'm just showing you the example. Let us run the activity. You can set the transparency and everything also. Okay. Now also. Right, so it is looking like this. If I'm clicking on register here, it is going in the registration. I'm going to click and it is there. So जितना उसको अट्रैक्टिव बनाना चाहते हो आप बना सकते हो. Still I haven't went for the exact image, so you can select exact image also, whatever looks good. ठीक है, आपको ऐसे images बहुत सारे मिल जाएंगे on the internet. Fine. So okay, so yes, Arav is raising hand. Yes, Arav, any questions? Yes, 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 yes. Correct. We can give it. That is a concept of material design. I'll show you. See now, these things again, as I'm saying, it is a huge ocean. I'll show. Or I'll show one example of that. See. Just a minute. You can create this using material design libraries and using this component view pager. It is shifting like this. See, you can actually move on to like this from registration to login, from login to registration. In the Redmi phones, in the older phones, there is one corner, and you can drag that corner, and it went into the previous screen. It's like that. ऐसा भी है. तो ऐसे भी आप create कर सकते हो. ठीक है? This is a simple code of it. Sliders can be kept, animations can be kept between the two screens. Everything can be done. Okay? The component name is view pager. You can explore it, and the whole concept name is material design. It is only used for interactive purposes. मेरे को एक मिल नहीं रहा है, मैं आपको एग्जांपल दिखाना चाहता हूँ. Not getting that particular thing. Our expert session that is on Friday, that will be on this Dart. Okay, and Dart is used for Flutter. Let me check whether it is the same video or not. See. You can move from one page to another page very easily with the help of, not with the help of Flutter only, you can do it in the Android Studio also. This is not our video. I'll give that to you. तो मीडिया में मिल जाएगा, मैं आपको दे दूंगा. चलो. So yes, one more thing. So on this screen, I want to show like this thing. Sir, I want to make it more interactive. जो गूगल पे में पे होके टिक आ जाता है, फिर जो डिलीवरी, if someone is delivering something, it is showing you like this. I'll show. देखो, ये सारे animations आप कर सकते हो. This is a good animation. So this you can use in Android app also. So दिस इज शोइंग द प्रोसेस. तो वो बोरिंग सा सर्कल शो करने के बदले आप ये कर सकते हो. एंड दिस इज अ पार्ट ऑफ अवर ट्रेनिंग सेशन. आई विल बी डूइंग दिस पोर्शन आल्सो. ओके, कि ये कैसे करना होता है सर, इसको हम एंड्रॉइड स्टूडियो में कैसे मर्ज करें, जाकि दिस सेम विल बी हियर, दैट आई एम फॉर श्योर. ठीक है, उसको भी यूज करेंगे अपन. सो मेनी थिंग्स यू कैन डू, लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल पेमेंट डन, you want to show on this payment done, so you can search it and they will show you in the suggestions. Right, we have received the payment, for that also you can do. There are different animations. This is the procedure. So many applications are now doing this thing. और बहुत ही इसमें बहुत ही ज़्यादा लाइब्रेरीज हैं इसके अंदर. मैं आपको अगर दिखाना बैठूं ना तो वो पूरा दिन चला जाएगा. There is one. See, I was working on the smart city project and I created the app for it. और बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग उसमें थे. And these are now working in the industries. Okay, ऐसे प्लेटफॉर्म्स अभी काम हो रहा है अभी. Like this is now I am doing this thing and everything. तो ये आप स्प्लैश स्क्रीन पे रख सकते हो on the screen of that. तो जो नेटफ्लिक्स का जो लोगो आता है, ठीक है, सी. I'm just showing you the brief of it. यूज कैसे करना है हम देखेंगे. देखो, the same thing you can do. आपके पास ये पूरा, अपन ये इम्प्लीमेंट करेंगे. चलो, ये हमको सर हमें ये होम पेज पे दिखाना है. बिफोर गोइंग टू द होम स्क्रीन आई वांट टू शो दिस फॉर few seconds. Okay, so that is also a good idea. Chalo, I hope that you are getting the point, everyone. Chalo. One more concept, that is, I'm there in the meeting, I guess. Yes, I lost my connection. Am I audible, visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Chalo. So now let us do another example. I'll close this app. See, designing you can create whatever you want. Okay, इसको सर मुझे ये नहीं करना है, मुझे कुछ और करना है. I don't want to keep here, I want to keep here. Whatever you want to do, you can do. Okay, but do it perfectly. Don't do it just for the sake of doing it. Close it. Terminate the app. हाँ, अब मैं क्या करूँगा? अब I'll be doing like this. एग्जाम्पल करते हैं. Yes. For now, in this, I'll be asking one link of the browser. Okay. So हम उसको एक लिंक देंगे. For example, Parul University .ac.in, ऐसा उसको लिंक देंगे. And here one button will be there, open. So this link will be open in the browser. Okay, not in our app. Yesterday we opened in our app. That is not the concept today. So this is one kind of intent. The intent is calling to the browser that I need your help. Okay, same way you can say, for example, like this. एक स्क्रीन है आपका और here is your image. So for now it is blank. So what you can do, you can keep here browse. Okay, once you click on browse, your gallery opens. Okay, and that you select one image and that is displaying over here. That is also you can do. Okay, that is a gallery app you can create like that. So for now we are just doing from here to here. This is another concept, that is you are returning the result also. आप उसको कुछ लेके भी आ रहे हो. लाइक आपने यहाँ पे ओपन पीडीएफ किया तो आपने पीडीएफ सिलेक्ट करके आप व्यू भी कर रहे हो. So that is one is requesting and responding both. Right now what I am going to say is requesting that yes, we are going to some another platform, another application. We are not taking anything from that platform and coming back to the app. That is not the case. Okay, chalo. Create a new project, empty activity, click on next. It is the intent or second intent. Okay, click on finish. I hope you are not getting bored. Okay, so, and these are the practical things, so you should not be bored. I am not teaching you any kind of theory. Theory तो मैंने start ही नहीं किया कि intent ये है, intent वो है. सीधा practical and then the concept of it. Or we can do for email also. Right now Gradle is being built it. We can do for email. Like sir, how I can send email from my app? That is also you can do. Okay. Sorry. Email will take much time, but I am not doing for that. I am going for browser. Like you give the one link, you click on that, browse or open, it will open in the browser. That we can do. But email will take time. हमारे पास टाइम बहुत कम है, वरना टाइम होता तो बहुत कुछ चीज़ें सीखने को मिलती. Sorry. Just a minute. Okay. Now two things will be required in the designing. I'll not require this. Okay. I'll remove this portion. Go in the design. Sorry. एक edit text मेरे को चाहिए. In which I'll be pasting the link of it. Okay. And then I want one button. सर ने हाँ चलो. Go in split portion, edit text, remove this text property. Okay. उसको हम क्या देंगे, hint देंगे that enter or paste your link. It's like आप open कर रहे हो browser, आप link paste कर रहे हो and it is opening Meet की link paste कर रहे हो and it is opening the Meet app. It's like that. From one app to another app you are shifting. From browser to Meet app you came. That is what we are doing right now. So paste your link. I'm saying that. Okay. इसके EMS की size बढ़ा देता हूँ मैं, so दिखेगा properly. Okay. चलो. In this button I am saying that open link. Okay. Simple, not much designing I'm doing because design we have covered. Okay, what is this design and constraints and everything. और इसको भी एक मैं आसान भाषा में बोलूँ ना हिंदी में, तो इसको हम चिपका रहे हैं एक स्क्रीन पे, एक जगह पे चिपका दे रहे हैं, फिर कोई सा भी स्क्रीन होगा वो वहीं पे ओपन होगा. दैट इज व्हाट कंस्ट्रेंट्स इन नॉर्मल लैंग्वेज मीन्स. ठीक है, चलो ये हो गया अपना. इधर अपन लिंक देंगे, इधर अपन क्लिक करेंगे एंड देन वी विल बी मूविंग ऑन टू द ब्राउजर. दैट्स व्हाट माय टारगेट इज ऑफ दिस. कंस्ट्रेंट्स दे दिया हमने और आईडीज दे देते हैं अपन. ओके, आईडी आई विल से विजिट, यहाँ पे चेंज कर दूंगा मैं विजिट. ठीक है, आई विल चेक वंस कि कोई बटन नाम का आईडी रह नहीं गया होगा, क्योंकि हम मैंने बटन को विजिट कर दिया है. आई विल गो इन डिजाइन इन जावा. हियर आई विल डू वन. क्यों काम मुझे किस पे करना है, बटन पे करना है. सो आई विल ओनली फाइंड वन बटन. Okay, I will only find that particular view. I don't want to work on that edit text right now. So that is the case. Chalo. Visit, find view by id, r.id.visit, सिंपल. तो ये क्या हुआ, जावा ने विजिट नाम की आईडी को सर्च करके पूरे एक्सएमएल में, इस वाली एक्सएमएल में वो विजिट बटन पे ऑब्जेक्ट पे उसने वैल्यू दे दी कि वॉट एवर टास्क विल बी डन ऑन दिस विल बी सेव्ड इन दिस. तो अपने को इसका ऑन क्लिक लिसनर बनाना पड़ेगा जो क्लिक को लिसन करे. ठीक है, चलो. visit dot set on click listener, new view on click listener, and this is automatic. Studio is smart enough, Android Studio is smart enough. Okay, अब मुझे क्या करना पड़ेगा, देखो. Okay, I will require that edit text also. Edit text, उसका नाम देता हूँ मैं link. Here I need to find that also. r.id. I guess this is the ID of it. Let me check. ठीक है, ये इसका ID है. बट इतना आइडिया करना देना तो आप उसको चेंज कर सकते हो. राइट नाउ आई नॉट चेंज दैट पर्टिकुलर. ये हो गया ID and semicolon. Now the logic portion is like this. There is one edit text, there is one button. Okay, now clicking on button, यहाँ पे मैंने क्या दिया है ऑलरेडी, यहाँ पे मैंने उसको लिंक दिया हुआ है. ओके, बिफोर क्लिकिंग ऑन दिस बटन आई विल बी गिविंग द लिंक टू इट. तो लिंक है उसके पास, अब बटन है, तो बटन क्लिक पे ये जो पूरा है दैट शुड बी कन्वर्टेड इनटू वन कॉमन स्ट्रिंग. ओके, वन कॉमन स्ट्रिंग में कन्वर्ट हो जाना चाहिए. स्ट्रिंग इज नथिंग बट द कलेक्शन ऑफ लेटर्स. ओके, इट शुड बी कन्वर्टेड टू स्ट्रिंग and then it should be passed to browser as a URL. Okay, as a URL. तो इतना करना है अपने को. फर्स्ट यू हैव टू कन्वर्ट द होल इनटू एज अ सिंगल स्ट्रिंग. मतलब कॉमा करके दूसरा नहीं दे सकते आप, इधर एक ही स्ट्रिंग दे सकते हो. तो ठीक है, तो पूरा एक स्ट्रिंग कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा एंड देन इट विल बी पास्ड टू द ब्राउजर टू ओपन दैट इन द ब्राउजर. इट विल पास टू the browser that is the URL and you have to open that thing. चलो, तो इससे क्लिक के अंदर काम करना है, तो इसीलिए मैं ऑन क्लिक मेथड के अंदर आया. दिस इज द स्कोप ऑफ दैट ऑन क्लिक. ठीक है, ऑन क्लिक इज द 3 lines of code only. I am creating one object. This is the class data type and this is the object of it. Okay, first I'll say sorry URL edit text is not giving me, just a minute. लिंक, मेरा जो लिंक उसमें जो टेक्स्ट आया है वो मेरे लिंक में है, मतलब इस वाले ऑब्जेक्ट नाम में है. तो लिंक डॉट गेट टेक्स्ट. ठीक है, एंड कन्वर्ट दैट टू स्ट्रिंग. दैट इज व्हाट आई डिड. तो एक यहाँ पे कुछ टेक्स्ट आया था, उसको मैंने लिया, गेट टेक्स्ट किया और उसको मैंने कन्वर्ट कर दिया पूरा स्ट्रिंग में. अब वो वैल्यू जो है स्ट्रिंग वाली पूरी, वो कहाँ पे है, यूआरएल ऑब्जेक्ट के अंदर है. अब इसको मैं पास करूंगा ब्राउजर को कि भाई यूआरएल में जो भी आया है, व्हाटएवर द वैल्यू यू हैव गॉट इन द यूआरएल, यू गिव इट टू द ब्राउजर. थोड़े टेक्निकल टर्म्स होंगे, कंप्यूटर आईटी रिलेटेड टर्म्स, बट यू हैव टू ग्रैब दैट बाय योरसेल्फ. If any doubts, you can ask me, sir, what is this data type? What is this class? This is nothing but the data type. The URL value will be of string type. That is what Java syntax says. Okay? यहाँ पे मैं start करूँगा. Intent, one object, new, intent, and now in this I'm not going to give source and destination because I am not sure what is the destination of it. Like it will be a Firefox, it will be a Chrome, it will be what, I don't know. So whatever installed browsers will be there, मुझे suggestion आएगा. आप अगर व्हाट्सअप डीपी चेंज करते हो तो नीचे से आपको पूछता है कि कैमरे में से फोटो क्लिक करना है कि गैलरी में से लेना है कि कोई और ऐप में से लेना है. ओके, दे आर आस्किंग यू मल्टीपल ऑप्शंस वॉट एवर ऐप आर इंस्टॉल्ड इन दैट फोन. ठीक है, तो दिस विल आस्क दैट पर्टिकुलर सजेशन कौन से ब्राउजर में ओपन करना है. आइदर इट इज क्रोम, इंटरनेट एक्सप्लोरर, फायरफॉक्स, वॉट एवर इंस्टॉल्ड ब्राउजर्स आर देयर, इट विल गिव यू द suggestion. And I am giving in the link it is intent.c. Now these are some actions. Whatever action you want to make that particular intent to be performed, you have to select it. So I want to select action view. देखो कॉल, अगर कॉल करवाना है उससे इंटेंट से तो उसको कॉल पे सीधा रीडायरेक्ट करो. ठीक है, क्रिएट डॉक्यूमेंट है, क्रिएट रिमाइंडर है, दीज आर द एक्शंस. So we have to work on action view. These are different actions. I will write the whole thing if I want. Action underscore view. देखो, तो ये है view वाला. Okay. First is action I want to make, that is view. Comma, I will give URI, that is uniform resource identifier dot parse, and inside that I'll pass that URL जो मैं ऊपर से लिया है. ठीक है, सेमीकोलन. ये URL, this URL went in here and it will parse and it will open in the browser and in the which form, view form. Okay, the action is view, and I'll say start activity. Inside that I'll give the intent which I created, that set. Okay, this is your explicit intent. सॉरी, आई गेस इम्प्लिसिट. चलो ठीक है, अब इसको करते हैं अपन रन. फिर मैं आपको दिखाऊंगा लास्ट चीज, दैट इज हाउ टू सेट द आइकन. आई होप दिस इज नॉट गोइंग इन वेस्ट. आई होप कि कुछ अंदर जा रहा है एंड कहीं ना कहीं इम्प्लीमेंट करोगे ये. Once you create a huge projects, as I told you yesterday, clone applications, in that you will be finding this kind of intents somewhere. देखो ठीक है, तो मैं लिंक कॉपी ही कर ले रहा हूँ. whatever I want to open, I'll open this thing. For example, I'll open our university. Control C. Here I'll control V. नहीं हुआ. Okay, and I'll click on open link. Just a minute. So it went on to the browser and it opened as a URL. हो रहा है, ओपन हो रहा है. ठीक है, this is what we are getting. Right? So this is explicit. It opened the browser. You can open your phone, I mean that call application. You can open the email, Gmail applications. You can open the gallery. You can open the camera. Whatever you want to open, you can, everything you can open. Okay, this is what it is about. यहाँ पे देखो installed, अगर multiple these things were installed browsers, then it will be showing you the suggestion that what you want to install. Okay, that is what it shows as a suggestion. Like you want to install in the browser, open in the Chrome, open in the Firefox, open in Explorer, whatever you want to open, you can open. Okay. So, anyone is raising hand? हाँ अमन बोलिए. बट वो वेब व्यू से कर सकते हो इजीली आप. हाँ, बट फ्रॉम योर ऐप डायरेक्टली टू द PUMIS. हाँ, तो यू कैन डू द सेम थिंग. उसमें क्या करोगे आप, देखो यहाँ पे मैंने क्या किया है, I have asked for one link. So this link will be static in your concept. That is it is always PUMIS. You are just clicking on that link and it is redirected to the PUMIS. In that case, you will not ask from the user to give the link. तो वो भी हो सकता है, वो मैं अभी दिखाऊंगा नहीं, but हो सकता है, that is possible. I'll share that particular source code if you want. ठीक है, ऐसा करना होगा आपको. हाँ, चलो. Any other questions? Any other doubts? See, I'm asking here the link. So this thing you cannot ask and directly आप एक static email ID या static link भी open करवा सकते हो. ठीक है. In that case, URL will be having one static thing. देखो. ये shortcut से करना पड़ेगा, but let's see whether it is working or not. This is just a guess, okay, according to my understanding. It can be wrong, it can be right. So in the URL, I was taking first the value of the URL, then I was giving to parse it to the browser. But what I did, I gave the static email, static link only. Okay. देखो, अब मैं इस पे क्लिक करूँ, it is opening the Power University. Aman, got it? हाँ, तो इस पे आप कुछ भी ओपन कर सकते हो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल लेट अस ओपन द MIS इफ यू वांट टू. इधर गया मेरा ब्राउजर, इस पे जाते हैं, PUMIS पे जाते हैं, इस पे जाते हैं. Let's select this link, go in the studio. Things are very easy once you know how it works. Run app. Now this is not of any use, okay? So yes, it is opening from there and you can log in here. Okay, so I hope that you got the points. Two types of content were there. One is explicit and one is implicit. Okay, one is opening the pages, opening the activities inside your application. One is opening something else. Now try to implement or try to open the camera from your app. Like देखो, यहाँ पे क्या होना होगा, एक बटन होगा सिंपल, जस्ट क्लिक ऑन दैट बटन एंड कैमरा शुड बी ओपन. तो यहाँ पे सिर्फ ये एक्शन चेंज करना है आपको, दैट्स इट. ओके, देन if you want to open gallery, you can open the gallery. If you open the call log, you can open the call log also. So different things you can do with the same concept. Now you have to play with this concept. मैंने आपको ऐसा समझा दिया. I open the playground. I showed you one how to play. Okay, now you have to play yourself whatever you want to do. Right? Sure. Now let me see the chat boxes if there are any doubts or not. Okay, and one more thing to instruct you guys, that for attendance I am sending one Google form in the Telegram channel. Okay, so you have to add yourself in that particular channel, and वो channel का link आपको मिला हुआ है on your email ID. ठीक है, नहीं है तो मुझे पर्सनल मैसेज करना, आई विल बी डूइंग दैट. लेट मी फर्स्ट चार्जिंग में लगा देने के बाद. हाँ, ओके. सो फॉर दैट यू हैव टू डू दिस थिंग. गूगल फॉर्म फिल करना है आपको अटेंडेंस के लिए, और इट विल बी गोइंग इन मिडनाइट, अप्रोक्सीमेटली 11-12 बजे वो जाएगा मेरे एंड से. ठीक है, तो आपको वेट करना पड़ेगा फॉर अटेंडेंस. If you are not getting the attendance, then you can contact your faculty and then tell that I was in the session. Take the screenshot, जो मैं बोल रहा हूँ उसका screenshot ले लो, दिखा दो कि मैं यहाँ पे था या थी. ठीक है, so that is the case. One more thing, आपको जो इंस्टीट्यूट नाम पूछा गया वो इंस्टीट्यूट नाम पूरा स्पेसिफाई करो. If it is Parul Institute of Engineering and Technology, write the whole name. Don't write PIET. ठीक है, if it is PPI, Parul Polytechnical Institute, whatever the institute is, you write the name, because I need to send to your principals for that thing. Yes, you will get the recording of the lectures. I'll be sharing my YouTube link. ठीक है ना, ये पूरा YouTube पे जाएगा, टिंकरिंग की चैनल है वहाँ पे. तो वहाँ पे जाएंगे, अपलोड होंगे एंड यू कैन गेट दैट थिंग. चलो, so let me see the chat boxes. Himanshu is getting error, unfortunately app has stopped. શું થાય છે Himanshu? What is the problem?
સર બધું પ્રોગ્રામ આખું ટોટલી બરાબર છે, પણ ખબર નહીં જ્યારે વર્ચ્યુઅલ ડીઓએસ માં ઓપન કરું છું ને તો એમ બતાવે છે કે અનફોર્ચ્યુનેટલી યોર ડિઝાઇન એપ હેઝ સ્ટોપ એ રીતનું.
And this concept of intent or something else you are trying. શું ટ્રાય કરો છો?
હું આ ઇન્ટેન્ટ વાળું.
ઓકે, તો એની અંદર નવી એક્ટિવિટી જે એડ કરવાની છે આ રીતે જ એડ કરી છે ને તમે?
જે ન્યૂ ઇન્ટેન્ટ છે ને એમાં રજિસ્ટ્રેશન ધીસ, પછી મેઇન એક્ટિવિટી ડોટ ક્લાસ, ઈ કેમાં રજિસ્ટ્રેશન જાવામાં, પછી મેઇન એક્ટિવિટીમાં રજિસ્ટ્રેશન ડોટ ધીસ, પછી રજિસ્ટ્રેશન ડોટ ક્લાસ એ રીતના કર્યું છે.
ઓકે,
એ બધું
you can send
બરાબર
me the
એડ કરી દીધું
screenshot.
છે
હું
પણ
જોઈ લઉં છું. સ્ક્રીનશોટ એડ મને કરી દેજો, હું જોઈ લઉં છું. See one more thing. Whenever you are adding a new activity, listen to me carefully. Whenever you are adding a new screen, तो यहाँ पे जाके अगर आप ऐड करोगे ना, अच्छा इसमें नहीं था, let me open that now. See, here I was having two screens, fine, activity registration, activity main. So I have added from layout, like I selected this, went into new and this. So go and manifest, Android manifest, there will be one activity by default added. If this activity is not added, your app will not run. It will show you that I am not getting the destination where I want to go. So it will stop that particular point. It will not move further. Okay. So you need to check that અહીંયા activity register થઈ ગઈ છે. મેં registration class બનાવ્યું. So it is now added in that manifest file. So whatever activities you are creating, it should be in this manifest file. If you are creating 50 activities, 50 screens, all 50 should be here. Then only then it will open. Okay, so check that also once. Chalo. Rohit is saying toast. Yes, toast is a concept. I'll show it. अभी मेरे पास 15 minutes है. I'll show the toast concept. You want to see or you are asking any question regarding toast, Rohit? क्या question है?
Sir, actually, I tried the toast thing, but it was not working.
Okay, chalo, I'll show. Chalo, one on-demand concept. Toast is a very interesting thing which is used for interacting with users. Like you have done the payment, then it is showing at the bottom of the application that payment done. One message for some 5 to 10 seconds. If you are connected to some Wi-Fi, then it is showing connected, disconnected, that kind of details. So I'll do one thing. In the second one, on clicking of that button, I'll show the toast. Dekho. Toast, there is a class name, okay, dot make text. This is one method, make text. Now inside that 3 parameters we need to add. First one, context, where you want to show. So I want to show at particular, right now I am at main activity, okay, and I want to see dot this. So this is my context of my toast, कि toast कहाँ दिखाना है आपको, first thing. Second is what character should be shown, that you click on button. This is a message what you want to show. And last thing is the duration of that. So toast dot, either it is length long or it is length short. So I'm keeping length long and the semicolon. That's it. ये toast class use किया. One method is make text. It will make a toast. वो toast create करेगा. उसके अंदर 3 चीजें. First is the source of it. Second is what text you want to show and how much long duration you want to set. Let's see if it is working or not. Okay. As soon as I will click on this, पहले toast आएगा and फिर वो link open होगा. If the toast was afterwards, then it will show afterwards. First the link will open and then we can see the toast. It got run or what? Let's see. Okay, I guess we are not able to visible. We are not able to see. Okay. My mistake. This whole thing needs to have one method at the end, that is dot show. Right? We need to show that also. So this, you have created the toast, and then ultimately you have to show it also. Display करने के लिए you have to implement the show. Okay. So here you can see you clicked on button. Visible? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
So this can be customized also. Like you want to show some image that you are being fooled. ऐसा कोई आपको image show करना है. That also is possible. So this is a simple text. Okay. Simple toast. If I want to customize it, you can customize. You can show there the image also. After clicking on that, I want to show image of Par University. I can show that also. Okay. So you can play with anything, with any concept. I'll show this one concept and you can try another concept by yourself. Okay. Chalo. Okay. So let me see the chat box if any doubts. Yes, Devash is asking how to create a virtual phone. Yes, Aman has answered. Tools in that AVD manager. Correct. And in that you can select whatever tools or whatever SDK you want. Like for example, you are going to target on the Android 10. तो Android 10 का SDK आप में इंस्टॉल होना चाहिए, तो तब जाके उसका वर्चुअल फोन क्रिएट होगा. So you can create all. My suggestion is create all the virtual phones. मतलब हर एक वर्जन का एक वर्चुअल फोन होना चाहिए, so you can work easily. हाँ, one more thing is left, that is app icon. अब धीरे धीरे याद दिला रहे हो सर. चलो. हाँ. Priyansh is raising hand. Chalo, Priyansh, what is the question? He left meeting. ठीक है, चलो. I'll show the icon. Last thing. Okay. मेरा रह जाए नोट. Okay. Last thing. Quickly. ठीक है. चलो, इसको क्या करते हैं अपन? Go in icon finder. Okay. This is a website for icons. What I'll do? I'll click one unique icon. For example, doctor. Okay. देखो ये सारे icons हैं. I can see the icons. I will select one icon. Like if you are creating the COVID-19 app, अगर कोई इस पे काम कर रहा है, तो just click on this, save images. It is saying as PNG, so I will select as icon. यहाँ पे हो गया download. Show in folder. Copy it. Go in studio. In the drawable, paste it here. That's it. ठीक है. अब आपको जाना है manifest के अंदर. Manifest, here is the icon. So icon by default is in the MipMap and IC launcher. You can see MipMap, IC launcher के अंदर ये by default icon है. This is the by default icon of Android Studio, but I don't want this. So I will change it to drawable and icon. I'll run this app. इधर है ऐप अपना, व्हाट वाज द नेम ऑफ इट, सेकंड इंटेंट। हाँ, इसका ऐप नहीं हुआ ट्रांसफर, लेट मी डू। So here you can see that logo of doctor. I cannot zoom it, but yes, there is a logo of doctor. Okay. So because this is a latest, I think, version of that Android, I don't know. So they are preferring round icon. So you can give into the round icon. If it is a simple one, you can give into the icon. Probably you can give in the both one. So your normal icon they will create in the round form. Here you can see the source. This is how you create. So कोई भी आपको logo चाहिए related to anything, you can take it from here. Okay, it is for specially for icon finder, especially for icons only. Okay. Anything? Any doubts? Any questions? रुको, हाँ शेजान चलो पूछो. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Percentage. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. Okay. Hmm. Yes, yes, because the text size is larger. That's why. Huh. Huh. No, no, no. While you are developing, you can see in the editor that if it is showing properly or not, if it is going outside the screen or not. But it is not possible to give in percentage. There are 5 pixels or the 5 units, DP, SP, वो सारे हैं by default. Percentage जैसा कुछ नहीं है. हाँ. That 99% editor will show you that it is going outside or not. Yeah. Chalo, anything else? I hope that's okay. Fine. So yes, I will be giving today one practical task from 7:30 to 8:30. So whatever your plans are there, be ready for that. ठीक है, नहीं करना है तो it's okay, it's fine. कोई force नहीं है. But yes, someone who is targeting app challenge, someone who is targeting to win the app challenge, for them it is compulsory. So be ready for that. Okay, at the 7:30, I'll be giving you one task. You can use your internet, you can use anything, and you have to submit in the Google form. टास्क के साथ एक गूगल फॉर्म होगा, फॉर्म में आपको डिटेल सबमिट करनी है. I'll be asking the screenshot of your app. I'll be asking the if it is working, then the video नहीं होगा, screenshot ही होगा. ठीक है, आपने जो screens create किए, multiple images you can upload. That's it. This is what I have created. Okay, so it will be a practical task. So be prepared for that. Fine. चलो. Anything? Yes, yes, yes. સ્નિપિંગ ટૂલ યુઝ કરજે ને, થઈ જશે. હા, તમે આવું ક્વેશ્ચન પૂછો અભિષેક, સારું લાગે? ચલો, અરે કોઈ વાંધો નહીં. ઓકે, so here I am winding up this today's session. Okay, I lost my network. Just a minute. Just a minute guys, I lost my session of जो वीडियो वाला था वो I lost that network. Just a minute. Okay, fine. Yes, who was asking the question? हाँ, yes Rushabh. યસ, હા, જો એનો ઓબ્જેક્ટનું તમે યુઝ ક્યાં કરશો? થશે યુઝ લોજિકલ વિચારો, એનો કંઈ યુઝ જ નથી. ટોસ્ટ પોતે એવું કહે છે કે હું એક ક્લાસ છું, જે કરવાનું છે મારે જ કરવાનું છે, મારા ઓબ્જેક્ટ્સ કાંઈ નહીં કરે. પહેલું તો શું છે, બટન હોય તો બટનના 10 બટન્સ હોઈ શકે. હવે એક સ્ક્રીન ઉપર એક જ ટોસ્ટ હોઈ શકે, સમજે છો? એટલે આપણે એનું કોઈ ઓબ્જેક્ટ ક્રિએટ નથી કરતા. હવે કેલ્ક્યુલેટરની એપ ક્રિએટ કરવા જશો તો એની અંદર 10 બટન્સ હોય છે, તો આપણે એની અંદર આઈડી આપીએ છીએ, દરેકના 10 ઓબ્જેક્ટ ક્રિએટ કરીએ છીએ, બીકોઝ વી હેવ ટુ આઈડેન્ટિફાઈ ઈચ એન્ડ એવરી બટન. તો એ ટોસ્ટમાં એવું નથી, ટોસ્ટ એક જ શો થશે સ્ક્રીન ઉપર, બે ટોસ્ટ પોસિબલ નથી એટ અ ટાઈમ. ઓકે, યા, ચલો. સો હાજી, યસ યસ યસ, हाँ हाँ ओके ओके ओके, I'll do that. I'll do from 6 to 7. I'll do, okay, fine, because I reach at home at 6 o'clock. ठीक है, I'll do 6 to 7, fine. चलो चलो चलो, very good. Okay, so whatever questions, whatever doubts are there, you can mail me, you can WhatsApp me. ठीक है, टेलीग्राम में तो मैंने सेटिंग्स नहीं चेंज किया है, बट यू कैन नॉट डू दैट इन दैट टेलीग्राम. ठीक है, इट इज जस्ट फॉर ब्रॉडकास्टिंग. चलो, so thank you. I hope that you enjoyed the session. I hope that you at least got some information about the session. Okay, we'll meet tomorrow same time. Thank you.
Hello, sir.
Yes, yes, recordings by today. I'm sorry for that, but by today you will get both the recordings. Yes, yes, yes. Who was asking anything?
Yes, sir. I was
Yes, yes.
asking same thing.
Okay, you will
about
get it.
recordings.
Sorry for that delay, but you will get it.
Yes, sir. Thank you.